Namaste, Khusro Bitia. Today's topic is multi-purpose health worker. A health worker will cover a population of 3,000 in tribal areas and 4,000 in non-tribal areas attached to a subsector. He will make a visit to each family once a fortnight according to fixed calendar of visit and have his visit to each house marked on the wall in the prescribed form. He will carry out the following function in the village helmet allotted to the sub-center. Every surveillance report to health service supervisor for additional action, acute diarrhea disease and notifiable infectious disease, environmental san- sanitation, immunization, family planning, nutrition, vital event, activity record, EP. Report to health survivor for additional action. He will assist the male health supervisor during focal spray and other pre-medical measures. He will conduct the contact and mass blood survey and following of the positive cases. Educate the community on the importance of blood filling, examination of fever cases, treatment of fever cases. If the case of fever has rash, report them to health supervisor may take containment measures until the arrival of health supervisor. Isolate a case with rash, educate the community on the importance of immunization are to be taken in case of an outbreak of fever with rash, the importance of reporting all severe fever with rash to health supervisor. Namaste, Kushal Bhatia. Today's topic is ergonomics. ड्राइव फ्रॉम ग्रीक वर्ड्स अर्गो मतलब वर्क होता है, नॉर्म्स मीन्स लॉज होते हैं, ergonomics इज लॉ ऑफ वर्क. Scientific study of human work designed the job to fit the worker, not for forcing the worker to fit the job. Science that deal with designing and arranging things so that people can use them easily and safely. Ergonomic object to improve the relationship between people, equipment, workplace, and environment, increase work efficiency and productivity, promote safety and comfort at workstation, to reduce physical workload, to minimize the risks of injury, illness, accident, and error without compromising productivity. Fields that interact with ergonomics, anthropology, psychology, operation, research, surgery, physics, orthopedic, physiology, statistics, engineering, biomechanics, industrial hygiene, industrial medicine. Job risk factor work in awkward posture position, prolonged sitting and standing, bending, reaching, stretching, driving for extended period of time, heavy lifting, illumination, uh, lifting in combination with twisting, pushing, pulling, carrying, accident, slip, trip, fall, vibration, noise, repetition, contact, stress, thermal condition. Ergonomics important work related musculoskeletal disorder are fastest growing injury category. 1997 study of 420 medical secretaries, 63% report neck shoulder pain, 51% low back pain, and 30% hand and wrist pain. Musculoskeletal disorder are injured caused by sustained exposure to stressor or repetitive motion. They may affect muscles, tendon, ligament, bone, circulation, or nerve. Some well-known MSD are carpal tunnel syndrome, tennis elbow. Thank you. Kushro Bhatia. Today's topic is health education. Health education introduction. Health education form an important part of the health promotion activities These activities occur in school, workplace, clinics, and communities and include topics such as healthy eating, physical activity, tobacco use prevention, mental health, HIV/AIDS prevention, and safety. Health education plus educational, motivational, skill building, and consciousness raising technique, building individual capacities. Health public policies provide the environmental support, encourage and enhance behavior changes. By influencing both, bring about meaningful and sustained changes in the health of individuals and communities can occur. Health education has been used in interchangeably with behavior change communication, information education communication. Definition: health promotion is the process of enabling people to increase control over and to improve their health. Reference Ottawa Chapter for Health Promotion WHO Geneva. Definition of health. Health education is any combination of the learning experience designed to help individuals and communities improve their health by increasing their knowledge or influencing their attitude. Health literacy is the degree to which people are able to assess, understand, appraise, and communicate information to engage with the demand of different health contexts in order to promote and maintain good health across their life course. Definition and knowledge: an intellectual acquaintance with fact, truth, or principle gained by sight, experience, or report. Attitude, manner, disposition, feeling, or position toward a person of thing. Skill, the ability to do something well, arising for talent, training, or practice. Belief, acceptance of the confidence in the alleged fact of body of fact as true or right without positive knowledge of proof. A prescribed persistent truth. Values, ideals, customs that arouse an emotional response for against them. Namaste, Kushru Vidya. Today's topic is maternal nutrition. The term maternal nutrition focuses attention on women as mother on their nutritional status as it related to bearing and nutrition of children. Maternal nutrition comprise anthropometric factors such as pre-pregnancy weight for the height and gestational weight gain, as well as intake of protein and micronutrients. Change during pregnancy period. During pregnancy, baby goes through emotional and psychological changes. Major three changes occur during pregnancy period. They are physiological change, testosterone change in body fluid. Physiological change. The maternal physiological change in pregnancy are the normal adaptation that each woman undergoes during pregnancy to better accommodate the embryos or fetus. They are physiological changes they are entirely normal and include cardiovascular, hematological, metabolic, renal and respiratory changes. Hormonal changes. Pregnant women experience numerous adjustments in their endocrine system. Level of progesterone and estrogen is continually throughout pregnancy. Estrogen is mainly produced by the placenta. Estrogen maintains progesterone production by the corpus luteum. Baby weight. One of the most noticeable alterations in pregnancy is a gain in the weight. The enlarging uterus, the growing fetus, placenta, acquisition of fat and water retention all contribute to this increase in weight. Breast size. A woman's breast grows during pregnancy. Once lactation being, the woman's breast swell significantly and can feel itchy, lumpy and heavy. Cardiovascular. During the course of pregnancy, blood volume slowly increases the 40 to 50%. It results in an increase the heart rate, stroke volume and cardiac output. Hematology. During pregnancy, the plasma volume increase by 50% and RBC volume increase only by 20 to 30%. Edema or swelling of the feet is common during pregnancy, partly because the enlarging uterus, compressed veins and lymphatic drainage from the leg. BMR. The fetal growth development increase the BMR by 5% during first trimester, 12% during second and third trimester. This increase the total energy requirement. gastrointestinal changes, nausea and vomiting, heartburn, constipation, diarrhea, gallbladder stone, excessive saliva. Thank you.